Now let's take a look at the high current generator 5375. First, look at the wiring. Evan is connected to 3 power sources. Transfer the long point B. Then the secondary current side is connected to our transformer, the secondary side of the current transformer. Then input the one-way input above. And the voltage input here, connected to the other end of this instrument. Then connect the current lines on this side properly. Form a loop. Pass through the current transformer. This is all our wiring. This is all our wiring. Then click the Start button. Then turn the knob to increase the current. First, we can see our primary side current and secondary side current from here. This is one of our CT ratios. The above is a test time and a timer. Then this one is a lock key. Then it can be observed. A specific value of our current. A lock can be made. Then after we finish the test, reset the knob to 0. Click the Stop button. Test completed.